In today's video we are comparing two premium robotic lawnmowers that promise to eliminate weekend yard work forever. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these robotic lawnmowers, make sure to check the link in the description below. The DREAME A3 AWD Pro brings true for WD hub motors that conquer slopes up to 38.7 degrees, while Mammotion LUBA 3 uses for independently controlled motors to handle 80% inclines with equal confidence. Yet DREAME integrates OmniSense 3.0, combining 360-degree LiDAR with binocular AI vision, whereas Mammotion takes a different approach with tri-fusion technology that merges LiDAR, NetRTK satellite corrections, and dual-camera AI for uninterrupted navigation even near trees or buildings where traditional systems fail. Both mowers avoid over 300 obstacle types in real time, but DREAME offers a wider 15.8-inch cutting width for faster coverage, while Mammotion counters with more powerful 165-watt motors that automatically adjust speed based on grass density. And DREAME features dual floating cutting discs that deliver consistent results across uneven terrain, whereas Mammotion provides intelligent path planning with checkerboard and adaptive zigzag patterns to minimize missed spots. Edge performance differs significantly because DREAME includes EdgeMaster 2.0 for closer border cutting, yet Mammotion utilizes an omni-wheel design for precise pivoting without damaging turf, and both systems clear obstacles, with DREAME handling 2.2-inch barriers while Mammotion steps over 50mm curbs using adaptive suspension. Battery life favors Mammotion with 215 minutes per charge, covering larger 1.25-acre properties, but DREAME compensates with rush mode, tackling 8,611 square feet per hour for faster results, and both offer app control with multi-zone management, though DREAME supports 100 zones versus Mammotion's 50-zone capacity. DREAME includes built-in security with GPS and 4G tracking plus human detection alerts, while Mammotion provides garage inclusion and better coverage for larger yards, yet DREAME operates ultra-quiet for nighttime mowing without disturbing neighbors and handles grass up to 8 inches tall compared to Mammotion's 4-inch maximum cutting height. After careful analysis of both premium robotic mowers, the DREAME LiDAR 3500 A3 AWD Pro emerges as our top recommendation because it delivers exceptional value with true for WD capability, dual AI vision, wider cutting deck, smarter edge performance, superior obstacle clearance, quieter operation, and comprehensive security features that justify its position as the more versatile and reliable choice for challenging lawns. Remember to check the link in the description below for the best available price on whichever model fits your yard size, and rest assured both options will transform your lawn care routine dramatically.